I'm sat in front of my sewing machine today because, as I think I've already mentioned, I'm doing a craft show with Lucy in September, and I decided, because I've got so much leftover fabric, that I would make some scrunchies to sell, as well as stickers and paper packs and things. So here's one of the designs. I think this one might be my favourite, to be honest. It's made from like a cord fabric, corduroy, whatever it's called, and it's got pink, white flowers on like a brown background. So I really like this one. And then I will show you the other ones that I've made so far. And then I bought some more fabric to make some new scrunchies, even though I was meant to just be using up my old fabric. But I just got in the scrunchie groove and I was like, I want to make more. So I will show you now. So this is kind of like my big pile of scrunchie mess. So we've got all these ones, and then I also made these, which I love because they remind me of autumn. And then the last design that I've made is this flowery one, and they're all with fabrics that I already had. So now I'll show you the new fabrics. So the fabrics that I bought are Halloween fabrics, because obviously the craft fair is going to be in autumn, September, getting ready for October, and I just thought it'd be fun to do some Halloween ones, get in the season. So the first fabric is this little ghosty boy, and I just think it's so cute, and I love the orange. Yeah, I'm really excited for this one. We've got another one which is purple cats, kind of give out like witchy vibes. It's another Halloween one. And then the last Halloween style fabric is this like pale pink one, and then we've got pumpkins, some skeletons, bats, just all your classic Halloween things. So I'm going to be making those in a second, more like a minute. And then I got one more fabric. It's not Halloweeny, it's not autumny, I just thought it was cute and it gave me like cottagecore vibes. So it's got little strawberries on. The back is actually like a really pale pastel green, and then it's got strawberries, and it's got some little ladybirds on it as well. And so I thought that one was cute. But yeah, I just got half a metre of each of the fabric rather than getting a whole one, because obviously they might not sell, so I didn't want to spend lots of money. And I'll probably be putting these on my Etsy as well. They're probably not going to sell all of them at the craft fair, so they'll be on my Etsy at some point if you're interested in Halloween vibes. So yeah, now I need to cut the fabric, then I need to sew it together, put in the elastic, sew it back up. So yeah, let's do it. finished the scrunchies. So the first one, we've got the purple cat scrunchie, and then next we've got Halloween scrunchie. You can see all the little pumpkins on it. And then we've got the spooky ghosts. I think this one might be my favourite out of the Halloween type ones. And then the last one, which is the cottagecore style one. It looks like this. So yeah, I think I'm going to put these up on Etsy now, maybe. Just see what happens. It's like 31 degrees today. I also got some snacks. This is so good. Love lychees. And then I also got this to try. So I hope it's good. We are just walking down this very long road to go and get some dinner in the nearby village because it's like a 20-minute walk. So yeah. You always let me know. You always let me go my way. You always let me know. You never let it show my to the end.
days. I caught your sudden gaze and time, it started racing. But moments tend to fade and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on the moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
So I'm currently doing some late night order packing. I just got back from camping. It was a nice 6-hour drive, but we made it fine. So there was quite a lot of traffic though. But whilst I was away, I bought some things, so I wanted to show you. So the first thing I bought was this plant pot. I saw it in the shop and it's got mushrooms on it and I was sold. I don't know, I need to get like a little plant to put in it for on my desk, but I've actually been propagating lots of things, so hopefully I can put one of those in. But it's just this cute little pot. I could either choose between this colour or a more red colour, but I went with this one. I also got this vintage book from a little bookstore whilst we were away, and it's filled with poems, so I thought it'd be good to go into the paper packs. I also finally got myself a white gel pen because the ones I've been using are awful, and there was this little art shop, so I thought I'd get one. And I have tested it out and it's pretty good. And I also bought this t-shirt that I'm wearing. It's just like a Vans t-shirt. I'll see if I can show you the back. I don't know if you can see. This is but it's actually from the kids section, because if you don't already know, I'm quite small and I fit into kids clothes, so where possible I tend to buy kids clothes because they're usually cheaper. So this was like half the price of the women's t-shirts. The last thing I got, maybe the best thing, oh god, knocking myself out with it, is this massive mushroom poster book, and you can rip out each page to use as wall art. But I thought I might use it to craft with, like use it as patterned paper, but then actually the prints, like the actual mushrooms, are massive, so I don't know how I would use them. So I might just save them, or I might just save some of my favourite ones to go up on the walls. Oh my god, I'm trying to show you, but there's some really cool ones. I like this one where it's like an autumn scene, and I really like this pattern as well. That would look good as an envelope, but it would also look nice on the wall in a frame. So I'll probably end up just hoarding it and not doing anything with it because I'll be too scared to use it. But yeah, it's well cute. So that's everything I got. Anyway, I need to stop being distracted and get back to order packing. Editing Lizzie here because I realised I forgot to record an outro. So I just wanted to pop on here and say thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and I will hopefully see you next time.